icky, dirty car. Bird poop. I just have not had a chance to wash the Cadillac since it came back from the shop. Oh gosh, a couple of months ago. Look at all that. So, gonna give her a good wash with my assistants here. There's one. There's two. Thank you, boys. Let's get to this. Alright, now to get the oxidization off of the chrome, most people tend to reach for a Brillo pad, which you really shouldn't do. What you really want is, because that's steel wool, steel is harder than chrome and so will scratch it. What you want is this, aluminum wool. Aluminum, of course, is softer than chrome and won't scratch it. Alright, well, I was going to go ahead and do the aluminum wool treatment. I figured I might as well go ahead and do some chrome polish on these. My chrome polish is ancient and probably should be replaced, but just give you a nice before and after, I guess. Again, this is old chrome, old original chrome. It is never going to look perfect until it's re-chromed, but we can certainly help it along a bit. And I'll kind of give you the before and after. All right, that looks quite a bit better. Again, you can get in really close here and find all sorts of flaws in this chrome. It's 65 years old. But a little elbow grease, you can definitely spot things up. I think the next on my list is actually I need to polish up these grill bullets, as they're called. And you may remember some saw a few years ago I did the rears. They're probably about ready for a polish too. I never did these, so you can see, like, just doing that, it cleans up quite a bit. Now these are aluminum. So I've got some aluminum polish. Maybe in a future edition we will work on the bullets. That is, as you can see, quite arduous to get inside and out of all those little nooks and crannies.